All right, in this guide, we're going to talk about how to make your website or funnel more AI friendly and easier to find for large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, etc. So if somebody is asking questions about a certain subject matter that you have a product or service in relation to, you have a higher chance of being thrown out as a potential resource for the questions that they have. This is very easy to do, and I'm going to walk you through it right now. First thing you want to do is come into wherever your website or your funnel lives. So in this example, I'm using Go HighLevel as I always do, and I've come in here to my Market with Mark page. So if you've been on my website, this is what it looks like. And basically, I want AI to recognize that I offer resources, services, etc. for course creators, coaches, blah, blah, blah. So if someone's asking questions, hey, ChatGPT, who can I work with to help me build out a funnel, right? I want to have a higher chance of coming up. So all I had to do was create a new page inside of my funnel with the /AI. And if I go to this page, you'll see that all it is basically text descriptions of everything on the site. So a quick overview about it, about the site, about me, who the site helps, the main topics, the products and programs, the services, key pages, and content sources. Now, the easiest way to really do this is go to your favorite large language model like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever, and simply ask it, if I want to have a higher chance of being referenced by you as a resource, what should I do on my website, right? And it's basically going to give you the exact directions. And you can paste in your URL, and based on your URL, it will scan it, and it will basically give you these different text blocks to put in, which is stupid easy to do. As far as the actual SEO side of it, again, very simple. All I did was come in here and put in a brief content description and title, and that's pretty much it. Once you do this, it's now going to be indexed, and the LLMs are now going to be able to find what you do, who you help, what products and services you offer much easier simply by scrolling through this text-based page on your site. Essentially, think of this as like a Wikipedia about your site. You're not remaking the whole site. It doesn't need any of the designs. No one's actually going to go to this page. It literally is just to be indexed and live inside of the search engines, so it can scroll through and it can quickly crawl these and capture all of the information that it needs. So just something else you can do as large language model searchings are becoming more and more popular. You can get a little bit ahead of the game here and give yourself a little bit of a better chance of showing up as a recommended resource when people are looking for something that you might offer. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any questions, drop them down below. My email's in the description, as well as a link with a ton of free stuff. Go ahead and check it out. I'll see you next time. Peace.